What's up everybody, it's your boy Kenji here and welcome to my announcement video. So since in the last video I've talked about the behind the scenes about my latest short film, The Untold Tokyo Fantasies. If you haven't watched that short film yet, the link is down below or on the top of my YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched it yet, please check it out. So yeah, it's been a half a year right now making YouTube content, and I was actually struggling, like thinking about what kind of language should I speak, because I could speak Japanese really fluently and I could speak decent English. So like a week ago I was thinking about maybe I should try English contents in my main channel. So yeah, that is the reason why I made the behind the scenes completely in English and add like Japanese subtitles. I don't actually know how it really goes, but I think that you guys really loved it. So I've decided for now on this YouTube channel I'm gonna be talking everything in English and adding some Japanese subtitles to it. But sometimes I'm gonna be talking in Japanese, and well, in that scenario I'm gonna add English subtitles to it. So well, you guys can just like follow up my content. Well, there is also another thing that made me decide to speak in English. So the company that I'm joining right now is WorldScan Project. We travel around the world and do some 3D archives, 3D scanning for World Heritage sites and underwater ruins. It's more like a National Geographic thing, but we are more based on the 3D CG side, which is like computer graphics and stuff, and furthermore the cinematic documentary type. So yeah, besides we are traveling around the world, I could make my own content, I could make my own YouTube, travel short films, cinematic videos and stuff. So it's kind of a dream job, but it requires hard work. And that's all for now, and I'll be making more English contents. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now's the time to subscribe it, and please follow me up on Instagram, and also check out WorldScan Project Instagram account. It's down below on my description. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and Kenji is signing out. Peace! It feels like English is so hard, especially when you just like live here in Japan and no one speaks English around you. Yeah, it's kind of frustrating.